My name is Rhonda Lanue. I am the Executive Vice President of Lyons Roofing in Phoenix.
My name is Ananda Holman. I work at Lyons Roofing. I've taken on the IT responsibilities here at Lyons. It is absolutely 100% critical to our business to have good, solid working technology.
Because it just helps us service our customers so much better. We started with a local company and it was a one-man show. As the company grew, we realized we needed more support and a higher level of skills. So we went with another company that was able to provide us with that, and we were with that company for a couple of years until they were acquired by ITS.
When we switched over to ITS, we were still open to the possibility that we might need to find another vendor. We didn't end up needing to.
As we started to transition, we realized that the support and service, along with the professionalism, was at a much higher level than we had ever expected.
So the problems we had previously was we were using on-prem servers that were from 2012 and were dying.
Once our servers started failing us, we knew that there was no option. Either replace the in-house servers or move to the cloud, and that was really not even a question.
Admins in the office could not look up data. We couldn't send out quotes. We couldn't print work orders.
ITS showed us that the cloud was the way to go.
We're roofers. We didn't really know technology before any of this. ITS really came beside us and really taught us what we needed to know. We had weekly meetings in order to get our entire system rolled over to the cloud.
Once we revamped our systems, we realized that what it had been costing us was a tremendous amount in productivity, in customer service.
It was a long project on top of, I believe COVID hit right about in the middle of it as well. So given all of that, it went absolutely smoothly.
The biggest part was for us to be able to maintain our working processes on a daily basis as we went through this transition. And I think ITS really paid attention and allowed us to continue working through the transition.
ITS also came beside us during COVID and helped us get laptops for our employees so they could work remotely, helped us get set up with a VPN so that we were secure. It went very smoothly.
We use the ITS managed services. We use ITS for our cloud. We have QuickBooks, which is critical to our business as well, and ITS manages that. Some of the softer ways that you can't really put a number to are the fact that we can allow our employees to be nimble enough to work from home if they're not feeling well, if weather is a deterrent for them getting to the office.
I can access our databases from anywhere. I can remotely get into both our financial systems as well as our customer service databases and the rest of the different IT services that we use.
Everybody has laptops now. Everybody can go home, plug in, and work as if they were at their own desk.
Another one is that we've really consolidated multiple different vendors that we had utilized before into just one. That has been a huge help.
I'll tell you, we work with dozens and dozens of vendors. ITS is probably one of the most professional and responsive companies I have worked with in my professional career. I'm never concerned about getting a return call. We get reports and quarterly meetings to keep us up to speed on what's going on with our network, new things coming down the pike. ITS is just phenomenal to work with.
So ITS is great to work with in person. As a matter of fact, we recently had a visit from one of our ITS reps who I haven't seen in probably at least a year, and that's due to that we have not had any downtime, we haven't had any issues, so there's been no reason for ITS to be here. And when he got here, I gave him a big hug because I appreciate all the work that they've done for us.
If you don't have an IT person in-house, it is critical for any business to have an IT company that can support them without having to have that technology and those skills in-house. Without ITS, and we call them 24/7, our working hours are start sometimes 4 in the morning. If you need that responsiveness, ITS really provides it.
If I could tell business owners anything, I would say you have a really true partner in ITS. It's not just a provider for managed IT or different services. You have really a friend that you can rely on and ask questions, and that you can trust that they're going to be reliable and give you an honest answer. And it's been greatly appreciated.
Well, we'll be celebrating our 30th year this year, and ITS has certainly helped us get to this point. And with the knowledge that we've gained through ITS, I am confident that they are going to help us get through 30 plus years, and as far as I'm concerned, hopefully a lifelong relationship with ITS and Lyons Roofing.